Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super straightforward process that can make a world of difference when sharing your designs. If you've ever wondered how to quickly export a prototype from Figma as a GIF, whether it's for showcasing your animations to a client, sharing with your team, or just jazzing up your portfolio, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to do it step by step with no confusion. Alright, let's jump right in and open up Figma. I recommend starting with your project loaded up and ready to go, just so you can move through the process smoothly. If you don't have Figma open yet, go ahead and pull it up now. Don't worry if your interface looks a little different. Figma is pretty intuitive once you get the hang of it. Now, the first thing you want to do is locate the Actions area. You'll usually find this in the menu bar at the top, or you might spot a search or quick action box, depending on how your Figma is set up. Actions are basically Figma's way of letting you quickly access features without digging through menus. Think of it like a remote control for your workspace. You just type what you need and it pops right up. Next, from the Actions menu, look for the option labeled Plugins and Widgets. Plugins are like little add-ons within Figma that expand what you can do. In this case, they help with exporting your prototype. Give Plugins and Widgets a click, and you'll see a search bar or a list start to load. Sometimes this part can take a moment, especially if you have a lot of plugins already installed, so don't worry if there's a short pause. In the search bar, type in Export to GIF. Figma is going to pull up a list of plugins that match your query. You're looking for one simply called Export to GIF or something very similar. If you haven't installed this plugin before, you might see an Install button. Just click it and it'll add to your Figma account. If it's already installed, you should see an option to run it right away. Here, where the magic starts. You need to select the frame of your prototype that you want to export. If you're new to Figma, a frame is like the canvas where you've designed your specific screen or flow. It's what holds your UI elements together. Click on the frame to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline around the design. This is Figma's way of confirming that you're working on the right section. With your frame still selected, click on the Export to GIF plugin. The plugin will usually prompt you to configure a few basic settings, like the resolution or animation speed. These just help you match the GIF to wherever you plan to share it, but the defaults are usually fine if you're just getting started. Hit Export and in a few moments you'll have a GIF file ready to download. And that's really all there is to it: quick, clean, and super effective. If you followed along, you should now have a looping GIF of your prototype, perfect for sharing in presentations, chats, or uploading to your website. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot and helps others find the video too. If you have any questions or want to see more Figma tips, just drop a comment below and I'll jump in to help. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on more practical design tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.